All right, today I'm going to show you how to replace the light assembly on a bathroom vent fan. Our fan works fine, but the light just doesn't work consistently. It's not the bulbs, it's something having to do with how it makes contact, and I really can't figure it out, so we are just going to replace it. This is what we're going to replace it with. It's just a light assembly, has an integrated LED light in it. It should be super simple, so all you have to do is basically you're going to take out the other one, and when you get inside you'll see that there's a plug. You just unplug it. This one's going to plug in. It says no tools, no wiring, no sealing, cutting. So this should be really fast. So let's get after it. Rachel is up on the ladder and she is going to take the cover off. Here you go, I'll take that. Got that, it's going to undo the bulb. Oh, sorry. Got that, and what do you see behind there? Is there a screw or anything we need to do? It's just a nut, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna twist it off.
Okay, twist off the nut. And that whole assembly should come down. Boom. Yeah. And unplug it. Okay, let's take that down. I'll get you the new one in a second. What's up? Get it? I just want to get the chrome off. And here you go. So this one has some little retaining clips that are on it. So you can plug that in real quick.
Wow, way brighter.
That was quick. I already have power. And you're good, don't worry about it.
We're gonna need to troubleshoot this one.
All right, let's take it off. We'll put the thing up there, and we didn't realize that the clips were too small. It came with two sets, so you can see this is way bigger. So this will fit just fine up there. So we're gonna put those on, and then she should be able to install it. So it just goes right in this little clip here. Just push it down in, boom. And you do the other one on this side. There we go. Now all right, after cursing at me a little bit and practicing how to put this in there, Rachel is ready to install the light.
Oh look, it hangs.
It hangs. Now you plug that in. Be careful not to get it caught in your clip. All right, it's got that. Now she's gonna just find the recessed hole for that clip to fit in. Meanwhile, practicing OSHA safe whatever practices. It's a little finicky, so you might have to kind of fight with yours a little bit, just because there's not much space for clearance.
Little hands.
Yep. There we go, and she should be able to push it up there. Yeah, let's adjust it a little bit. It's off to the side. There we go. And it works.
How bright it is.
Pretty bright. Fan's on, light works. Sweet. Now our girls can see when they take a shower. Now they won't have any excuses to not wash themselves. Right?